That would have certainly put it out.
That's on a phone gun.
Yeah.
See how much extra pressure is on there. Some walls did heat up just a little bit.
Yeah, fill it up. I can't see it.